Hello everyone. Welcome back with the speed test on today's newspaper uh, on Friday, the first week of the month, the first Friday of the month, September the 3rd, 2021. Yes, we have a speed test, and I only do the speed test with the Sudoku Lite. Well, let me do this again with the Sudoku Heavy. By the way, in this newspaper, there's also a new, an additional with extra Sudokus, 6 I believe, and 3 of them I will solve. All right, and this Sudoku will be a number 3340. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars Sudoku, I need 15. No, it's a 3 stars. 25. Yes. Not 15, but 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's a speed test, so let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 5 and 8 are missing. We see an 8. 8 should be here. The 5 goes there. Let me see. 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 7, 7. 7 goes there. 7, 7. Let me see. Um, 5, 5, 3, 3, 4. Come on. 2, 2. 1, 5, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, and then 9. 4, 6, 9. 4, 9. 6 should be here. 9 and 4. Let me mark those. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 7. Yeah. 9, 9, 9, 9. Come on. 3, 6, 6, 6. 8, 8. 8, 8. Bo. 5, 5, 5, 5. 9 and 9 and 3. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Come. 6. 4, 4. 1 and 1 and 2. Okay. So 2, 2. Here we have the 4, 1 and the 6. Let me mark those. So the 6 should be here. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. 7. 1 and a 5. Let me mark those. 6, 2. 629, 629, 629. Now we have a 9 here, so 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3, 3, 3, 2, and 2, 6, 4, 2, 6, 4, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. Let me mark those. That means 7, 6, and the 5, 7, 6. Okay. 5, how about a 5? 5, 5. Yeah. 5 cannot be here. 5, 5. How about the 1? 1. Blah, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 4 and a 6. Okay. 1, 1, 1, 5 and 7. No, 1, no, 1, 5 and 8. We have an 8 here. Yeah. It's a pair, and this should be a 1. 1, 1, 1. Now we have a 1 here. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 and 5. 9 and 5. One box left for the no 4. 2, 8, no. 1, 5. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 9, of course. 3 and 7. Okay. 8 and 9. 8, 5 and 3, 3. 5, 5, 3, 3. Okay. Here the 1 and here the 6. 1, 2, 3, 9, 4, 9, 4. 947, 947, 947, 7 I need here, 9 and a 4, this is a 4, 999, 9885, 5 should be here, this should be a 3, 3, 3, 6 and the 8 should be here, 6 should be here, and a 4 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 finished. Yeah, 8 minutes. Can't believe it. 8 minutes for a 3 stars. 8 minutes. All right. So I've told you once in a while you need to do this. Let me check if this is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. All right. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. And yeah, I've told you you need to do this once a while, and I've managed to solve this faster than 10 minutes, 8 minutes, I believe. And normally I do a 3 stars Sudoku in 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm pleased with the time and I like this one. Yes, do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit that bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Sudoku Heavy, for the Sudoku Light, For the medium, for the killer Sudoku, for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudoku, I have also a playlist. For the tectonic, for the binaries, for the quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles, I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. I hope you will. I hope you enjoyed the video, the speed test, and yeah. We will meet again later on, maybe in the evening, with the other 3 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.